So see, we are going to make a grid for the dot mandala, and see, whenever we make grid for dot mandala, usually it's very thin and very delicate, okay? So you're supposed to make sure that your pencil is sharp enough. We need pencil, protractor, circular, a small ruler, sharpener and a big ruler, okay? So what we will do first, we'll just take rough measurement. Okay, see, I'm just going to take this ruler, keep it approximately in the center. Okay, yeah, and then you will make a dot at 10.5 centimeter. That is exactly center point of my paper. Yeah, and then we are supposed to make concentric circles, okay? Concentric circles means circle into circle with common center, okay? So the first circle radius is 1.5 centimeter, okay? So you are supposed to set the pointy one at 0 and the pencil at 1.5 centimeter exact. Yeah, it's correct. Keep it like this. Never ever hold your protractor circular like this. Always and always and always hold it like this. Okay, you are supposed to make all the lines lighter. I am making it dark, so it should be clearly visible to everyone. Okay, 1.5 done. Okay, another criteria which you are supposed to see is the pencil and this pointy thing should be on the same level. See, mine is not there, right? It's a bit upside, so what will happen is you won't be able to make it properly. So it's better you keep it like this and then just tight this screw. Now it's perfect. Okay, so see, we are going to make circles at different radius. You can just take the screenshot of this measurements. Okay, first circle will come at 1.5 centimeter, then the next will be 1.7. So what do I mean by 1.7 is you will be setting your compass at 1.7 precisely. Yeah, done. Keep it on the same center. Make it light. I'm again telling you, because once we are done with the design, we are going to erase everything. Okay, I am making it dark so it will be clearly visible to you. Okay, done. Now you are supposed to make first circle at 1.5, second 1.7, third 1.9, 2.1, 2.5, 2.8, 3.5, 3.8, 4.5, 4.6, 5.7, 6, 6.5 and 7. These are the circles you are going to make. So at the end it's going to look like this. Like, only consider these circles. Okay, I'm going to tell you how to make this spokes. Okay, so first complete the concentric circles and then you can start further. So see, this is how it will look like once you are done with the circles. Okay, so now we are supposed to divide them through this protractor. Okay, so we are going to make these spokes. So these spokes are made at 0.5 degrees each. Okay, so see, you are supposed to make a line. It's okay even if you can make it in a standing position, you can make it in a sleeping, anyhow is okay. Just the criteria is it should pass exactly through the center. If it goes from here, okay, that will not work out. You will not get anything right. Okay, so just adjust. Keep your pencil like this slightly, hold it like this. Okay, now whatever you will make, it will pass through. You can just cross check by making a light line. Is it passing through? You're supposed to make a light line which is touching to the end of the circles. Okay, like this till here. Okay, make it light because we are going to erase it anyhow. So if you make it dark, the markings will be there and your final mandala will not look good at all. You're going to keep it like this. Okay, see, there's a center point. Can you see where the standing line is meeting this sleeping line, right? So you are going to keep it in this way. The point should coincide with the point exactly. Okay, see, it's coinciding. Yeah, it is. Now this line which is coming out should coincide with this. This line which should coincide with this. Okay, if it is coinciding, means you are going right. Okay, that's how That's how you check. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, perfect. Yeah. Now the 0.5 is, see, if I start from a 0, a big line which is in the center of 10 and 0, that is 0.5. Okay, so there's already line here. You will make a point at this 10, 10.5, 20, 20.5, 30, 30.5, 40 and so on. Okay, like you will do it through here till here. Okay, so see, try to make small lines, small dots. Okay, like very delicate and clean. Don't make it big by pressing it too much. Keep your pencil sharp to get everything right. Okay, now see, the thing is, how do I make the spokes is this center point and this line. Okay, the very first dot, sorry, you are going to make a line which should pass from both of these points accurately. Okay, then only you will get exact 0.5 degrees. Okay, yeah, you will keep it like this. Adjust. Now check, is it passing through this? Yes. Is it passing through this? Yes. Now you will make a light line which is passing through this. Okay, and now you are supposed to repeat the same process for all the dots. Okay, like for all the dots. Okay, so again keep it like this, keep it here. See, is it passing? Like now it's not. Okay, so I need to go closer. Adjust, hold it from 3 or 2 fingers so your ruler will be stable. Yeah, it's passing. Yeah, kind of. Yes, make it simple. Now again keep it like this. Okay, be very careful. If you go, see, a very slight change is okay, but there should not be major difference. Okay, like no, it's again. Yeah, now it's passing. It's okay, you can keep on checking until and unless you don't get it. Make it light. I'm again telling you, make it light. It will look better and your work will be easy to do the erasing and all. Okay, if you can also keep your pencil like this slightly. Now check. Yes, go ahead. Okay, so you are going to do this for all the dots. Okay, so this is how it should look like. Okay, so in this video we completed the grid part. In the next one we'll do the designing part. So make sure you make this very properly, make the lines light. Okay, and keep your pencil sharp, keep this pencil sharp. Okay, yeah, do it.